Today, we are introducing new shapes. 4 new shape types you can draw directly in the editor. Think of it as upgrading from 2 basic shapes to a full design toolkit. Here's what's new. Open your project and click the Shapes button in the left toolbar. You'll now see the full set: rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star, line, and arrow. Let's start with polygon. Click it, draw on the canvas, and open the right panel. You'll see a side slider. Drag it anywhere from 3 to 24 to go from a triangle all the way up to a smooth 24-sided figure. You can also add a corner radius to soften the edges. Star works the same way. Draw a star, and in the right panel, you've got a point slider and a spikiness slider. Pull spikiness down and the tips soften. Pull it up and you get sharp defined points. Both update live as you drag. And line isn't just a line. You can set the start and end cap independently. Choose from none, round, arrow, triangle, circle, or diamond to match whatever style you are going for. And that's new shapes, the building blocks to create exactly the visual you are imagining right inside Clueso. Give it a try and let us know what to build next for you. I'm Ishar from Clueso, and I'll see you soon.